Hello, this is Ahmed Salah. In this video, we'll talk about one of the most confusing tenses in English. This tense is the present perfect. The problem with this tense that it talks about a finished action that happened in the past, but at the same time it's called present. So why they call the present perfect as it is? So why they say present perfect as long as it talks about a finished action? So why didn't they say past? The reason that's why they call the present perfect as present, because yes, it's an action that happened in the past, but it has a connection with the time right now. So, for example, if I want to enter my apartment and now I'm standing in front of the door, but when I searched for the keys, I didn't find them. So I would say, oh my God, I have lost my keys. So the action here happened in the past, but it affected or it has a result right now, which is I can't open the door. That is one of the usages of the present perfect. So we talk about a finished action, but that action that happened in past has a relationship to now, or has a connection with now, or a result that affects the time of speaking. The present perfect, from its name, it's present, so it has a relationship to the present right now. And it's perfect because it requires two meanings. So in any tense that is perfect, so we are talking about two actions. So you may say, hold on. In the previous example, you said I have lost my keys. So where is the second sentence? I would tell you that in present perfect there is a hidden meaning. So I have lost my keys. The hidden meaning or the hidden sentence, which is I can't open the door right now. So the present perfect always tells us about the situation right now. The form of the present perfect is has or have plus past participle. And has comes with he, she, it. Have comes with I, we, they, you. So we use a present perfect when we want to say that there is something that is the first time for me to do it. For example, it's the first time I have driven the car, or I have never driven a car before. We use a present perfect as well to talk about life experience. For example, I have never played football in the streets. The present perfect can be used when we want to talk about change over a period of time, contrasting the past with the present. For example, the climate has got warmer, or they have made the exams more difficult. We use a present perfect as well when we want to talk about the achievements. So, for example, scientists have discovered a new medicine for cancer. One more thing that we can use the present perfect when we want to talk about multiple actions repeated at different times. For example, Real Madrid has won 6 matches this season. Now let's have a look at the keywords that can be used with the present perfect. The keywords are already, yet, just, and today. But the word today is a tricky word that we can use it with present perfect or past simple. So how can we decide which tense used with today or this year, this week, and so on, if today for us has not finished? For example, for me, my day ends at 10 p.m. So now the time of shooting that video, for example, is 6 p.m. So today for me till now has not finished. So I will use the present perfect. So I will say I have shooted the video today. But if I'm talking to you now and it's 11 p.m. so that means my today has finished in my point of view. So I will say I shooted the video today. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope that you find this video was beneficial for you. Thanks for watching and see you next video with new information. Have a good night. Bye bye.